Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. And I have Chris here today to kind of help me explain a little bit about the tips that we're talking about today. So today we're going to talk about cabin upgrades, specifically the Royal Caribbean's Royal Up program. So we did just receive an email about the Royal Up program and that we did win an upgraded room. We are going from an inside stateroom to an ocean view cabin. And Chris here is going to explain a little bit about how the process for the Royal Up program works.
All right. Hey, everybody. Yep, so I just want to go over the process real quickly for the Royal Up program. Like I said, we're specifically talking about this one because it's the one we're currently involved in. So the way the process works, so you book your Royal Caribbean cruise. After you booked it, usually, a few weeks prior to embarkation day, Royal Caribbean will send you an email offering you the Royal Up program. So it will provide you a list of cabins and cabin categories that you can bid on. It will have a minimum bid. You place your bid for the cabins you are interested in upgrading to, and you send it off to Royal Caribbean. You will not know what anybody else has bid. You will not see anybody else's bid. You will only know what, of course, which you have bid. Now, if you do not win a bid from Royal Caribbean and do not get an upgrade, you will never hear another sound from them. Only if you actually win the Royal Up, win your bid, you will get an email. Now, just to give you an example, these emails can come at the very last second. We got our email on Friday, and of course, we sail tomorrow on Monday. So yeah, it could be a very last minute thing when you actually find out that you've gotten the Royal Up. But I said, it's really, really simple. Book the cruise, get the email, select the categories, the rooms that you want to bid on. You give your bid. And I said, you may not hear anything for weeks and weeks. I think we bid on this particular cruise probably a month ago at least, give or take. And we just now heard something back from the cruise line. So it could be a very last second thing. And just to make y'all laugh, I printed our luggage tags Friday. 20 minutes later, I got the email with the new cabin. And now I got to print all the stuff over again. So that's also another fun fact of the Royal Caribbean Royal Up program. They always like to send you your email right after you print your luggage tags.
So one thing with these upgrades is we picked our original cabin, we picked for deck 8. So we were right in the middle of everything. We're not exactly sure where this ocean view room is, so you do run the risk of losing a great location to maybe a not so great location. So that is one of the chances that you do take. And you don't know your room your room number till the last minute, what deck you're going to be on, whether you're going to be forward, aft, port, whatever side you're going to be on. So that is one of the risks that you take, but you do get that upgrade. So you've got to weigh the measures, location versus size of the room. So if location isn't a big thing for you, then this is probably a great program. We were really excited about the location. We're excited about the upgrade, just a little nervous about, okay, so did we go from deck 8 to maybe deck 2? We don't know yet, but we will definitely let you know on embarkation day because we'll know by then.
Right, and that's one of the things I did forget to mention about the Royal Up program. So we had an inside cabin. We win a bid for an ocean view stateroom. We do not get to pick the location of your Royal Up room. Okay, if you get ocean view, they put you in any ocean view. You get balcony, they put you in any balcony that they choose. So if you're real fond of your location and don't want to risk moving from that location, do not do the upgrade program. Now, Royal Caribbean's not the only cruise line that does it. We're just specifically talking about them because that's the one we're involved in right now.
Hope this video helps. It helped me understand it a little bit better. He just does it all and says, which room do you like? So, but I hope this did help. If you do have any comments or questions or tips that you would like to see about, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to research and look into that for you. Hope you have liked today's video. If you have, hit that like button. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so and helps you know when new videos comes out. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas tomorrow.
Bye.